Hello everyone and welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to create a new file in Notepad++. This is one of the most basic and useful features for beginners. First, open Notepad++ on your computer. Once the program opens, you'll see the main editor window. To create a new file, go to the File menu in the top left corner and click New. You can also use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+N to create a new file instantly. A new blank tab will appear in the editor. This is your new file, and you can start typing immediately. For example, you can write some text or enter a few lines of code. Notepad++ will automatically create a new document tab. If you want to create multiple files, simply repeat the same step. Click File, then New, and another blank tab will open. After creating a new file, it's a good idea to save it. Click File, then Save As, choose a location on your computer, enter a file name, and click Save. That's it. You have successfully created a new file in Notepad++. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out more Notepad++ tutorials. See you in the next video.